Yo, check it out, man. Heavy hitter, strip club king, DJ Suave. I'm outside. You wanna know where I'm at? Place, Auto Store. Top of the line, custom auto work. When I say auto work, I mean everything. I'm talking about rims, radios, TVs, you name it. Door handles, I don't care what it is. You got a helicopter, bring it. They'll customize it. I bring my 2018 S560. I'm gonna let my man Lee take over. All right, Lee, what's up, bro? What's up? What's the vibe, man?
Shout out to Suave, man. He been coming here for years, since I was a little kid. We did it up for him. What you're seeing here is a 3M gloss blue raspberry 2080 wrap, no chrome delete. We left it all chrome. You don't always gotta do that black look. We got the OEM wheels. We did a high gloss black triple dip powder coat. And if you look behind it, we added the red calipers with the black AMG logos. Again, like I said, we did not eliminate the chrome. The chrome pops on cars, especially like a nice elegant S-Class. We left the silver trims. Chrome goes well with a lot of colors, especially on this type of vehicle. Coming inside, we added two 13-inch executive TVs to the factory headrest, and we did a 1200 star headliner across the top. Back here, same thing, wrap continues and the chrome continues. We left the chrome diffuser, the chrome muffler tips, and all the chrome emblems. Car came out amazing. Shout out to DJ Suave. He's been coming here since day one. We appreciate him. We'll talk to y'all later.